What it do, all my paper chasers for life squad, all my YouTubers, Facebookers, hurricane drivers, CDL holders, doubles and triples, tow trucks, oversized, specialized, heavy haulers, hemi haulers, the canned and vegetable guys with the fruits and everything like that. Yeah, man, we get ready to set this thing on 50. Yes, sir, set it on 50. And getting ready to get up out of here. I'm over here and I forget the name of this town, but we getting ready to get started on load number 14, y'all. Yes, sir, yes, sir. We're getting ready to go over to Middleboro, Massachusetts, and pick up a load going down to Dallas, Texas. Yes, sir. But shout out to all the CDL holders out there, man. If you got a CDL, you doing it right, baby. Ain't no doubt, we family for life. Man, I want to shout out to all the cement mixers, all the construction drivers and stuff like that, man. All the oil field workers, all the gas haulers, all the tankers, milk haulers, and everything like that, man. All the food service guys, and yes, sir. All the pooper scoopers, yes sir, all the pooper scoopers and everything like that, man. But yeah, we getting ready to start on load number 14. Go over there to Middleboro and pick that load up, man, and start heading toward Dallas and get from up here in the Northeast. It's time to get back down south and get in some heat. You know what I mean? So if y'all ready to get into it, I know I'm ready to get into it. Let's get it, let's get it, let's go. Yes, sir, out here checking these lights and everything. Yes, sir. Hey, what's up, guys? made it over here to the Ocean Spray over here in Middleboro, and I don't see nobody here, man. I'm gonna have to call dispatch and find out what's going on, because I don't see nobody here. And the load info says to pick up at 2359, and I would think it would be somebody here, but no one's here. So I don't know what's going on, man. Trying to get it figured out, and as soon as I know, I'll let y'all know. But yeah, that right there, that's because it's cold out here. That ain't cigarette smoke. That's because it's cold up here, man. I got my jacket on with shorts on and slides on. But yeah, man, just get in the truck and call dispatch to see what's going on, and then go from there, man. As soon as I know something, y'all will know something. Holler back at y'all in a little bit. All right, guys, getting off to a rocky start already. Guy just showed up in that little pickup there. A little pickup right there. And I got his attention because he was looking at me when he pulled in. And I said, hey, I'm here to pick up a load. And he was like 6 o'clock in the morning. And I'm like, huh? I said, my dispatch said I was supposed to be picking up at midnight tonight. He said to come over here and park. I was parked over there a while ago. I was parked like right over here. And he said to come over here by these trailers back here and park, and come in there at 6 o'clock in the morning and get loaded up. Now I'm gonna have to fight with that traffic going back down south, and fight with traffic in the morning to get up out of here. And that's crazy, man. So got another 6 hours before I can get loaded, man. Or maybe even more, depending on how fast they load me, man. So I don't know, man. I'm just gonna take it easy, turn on my reefer in the morning, and get it loaded up and get up out of here, man. Hope you guys are being safe out there. Hope y'all doing your thing, man. And now it's officially hump day. So let's get the hump day going, man. And we'll see y'all when we get loaded. Or when we get a door. We'll see y'all when we get a door in about 6 hours. But letting Miss Knucklehead run around a little bit, and then we're gonna get back in the truck, take a nap, and be ready to ride out in the morning. Be ready to get it done, man. I'll holler at y'all then. God bless. Hey, what's up, guys? They got me back in the door A. Got back in the door A here. And you got to disconnect from your trailer and pull up so they can put the trailer arm underneath. That little arm there, that little yellow arm there. Put that underneath while you're getting loaded. And it's not a refrigerated load, so y'all stay tuned, man. I'll be right back. yes, sir. Got it all lined up, man. And now I'm just gonna finish backing it up, disconnect from it, and get loaded and get up out of here. We'll see you guys when we get over there to the TA on 95 to weigh it, man. Yes, sir. We'll be right back. Hey, what's up, all my people? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We made it over here to the TA over here in Greenwich, Rhode Island. Here at exit 5B off of I-95. No matter if you're going north or south, it's gonna be exit 5B. And there it is, right there, guys. All right, and here's our weight. We got 13,100 on the stairs, 33,200 on the drives, and 30,460 on the trailer for a total of 76,760. I slid it up 4 holes, which make that 31,600 on the drives, and right at 32,060 on the trailer. But I only got about a quarter of a tank of fuel. I only got about a quarter tank of fuel. So once I fuel up, then that'll pretty much even everything out. I'll be a little bit heavier on the drive than I am on the trailer. But I just gotta get to a fuel spot and get some good old go-go juice up in here. But gonna get up out of here, man. Just stopped and waited right quick. It was 64 miles from where I picked it up over there in Massachusetts. So get on down the road, man, get some fuel, and then really get rolling with this thing, man. Try to get it on down to Dallas. Yes, sir, man. Y'all be safe, and we'll holler at y'all later. Enjoy your day. What it do, all my paper chasers for life, man. Hope everybody doing all right, man. Over here on this Wednesday, man. Made it over here to Greencastle, Pennsylvania here, exit 3. Over here at the QT. Over here, man, fuel over here is $3.59 a gallon. No, $3.69 a gallon, my bad. $3.69 a gallon over here at the TA. No matter if you're going north or south here on 81, it's gonna be exit 3 over here in Greencastle, Pennsylvania, man. It's a nice QT over here. Pretty big for parking and stuff like that. It's all right. And just over here, man, kicking it, man. Gonna get up real early in the morning and get the rolling, man, before the roosters crow. Gonna wake the rooster up and knock him upside the head. You know, it's time for you to get up and get at it, you know. But appreciate you guys for the support, the subscriptions, the comments, all the love y'all showing in the merch shop and stuff like that, man. Don't forget when I go home for home time, I'm gonna post a whole bunch of new stuff on the merch shop, man. So y'all be looking for that. Gonna be going over there to Rio Doso to watch my sons play in the basketball tournament. So while they're doing that, I'm gonna be posting all the new gear to the I'm gonna be paying attention to my sons, no doubt about that. But I'm gonna also be posting new gear to the merch shop, man. So y'all be looking out for that. I was supposed to dispatch told me I was gonna be picking this load up at midnight. I start my clock and I get over there and the dude is like, no, nobody won't be here till 6 in the morning. So I'm like, damn, you know, okay, man, it is what it is on that. So I went back to sleep, man. And I walked Bailey first and then I went back to sleep and got up and got loaded and got out of there, weighed the load, and now I'm down here in Pennsylvania, man. So hope you guys are sitting back and enjoying some of the road footage and stuff like that, because I do the road footage of state to state because you know, some of you guys have never been to these states or whatever, man, and I'm just giving y'all a little you know, letting y'all into a little part of my world by crossing the state lines and showing y'all, you know, that I am going through these states and stuff, you know, so I can always say I've been to those states. It's only a few states that I haven't been to, and that's Maine, Alaska, and Hawaii. Those are the only 3 states in the union I haven't been to. Other than that, I done been to them all, and I've been up to Canada, I've been down to Mexico, and I'm an international driver, I guess, man, if that's what you want to call it. I'm an international driver, but just want to be showing that on the videos and stuff like that, man. You know, no matter if I was here at Hurricane, like y'all seen when I was even at RST and Freight Bull, I was still doing the same thing, you know, showing y'all the states I'm going through and stuff like that, man. You know, just I like to do that, man, because most people, you know, some people that watch my videos, they're not truck drivers, and I just want them to see that part of the, you know, the country and stuff like that, man. Some of it's beautiful, some of it's trash, you know, some of it's all messed up or whatever, you know, but just sharing that with you guys, man. Hope y'all like it. Y'all comment down below, let me know if it's something you'd like to see in the videos. Like my boy Brad Brown, he's a little sick right now. He got bad back, man. He can't hardly move and stuff. He can't get around, you know, like he wants to and stuff like that, man. So y'all say a prayer for Brad, man. That's my boy there in Decatur, Illinois, and he's like a brother. So y'all send prayers and shout outs to Brad, man, and just want him to be doing all right, man. You know, the older we get, the less movement we have with our bodies, man, and you know, it is what it is, man. We all got to get old. We can't stay young forever, man. As y'all can see, your boy already getting some, you know, got the gray hairs and stuff. You know, I got a few on top of the head too. Got a little patch right there. I got a few, you know, it is what it is, man. We can't stay young forever, even though I wish we could, Lord, you know, but that's the way it is, man. Go get off into these shout outs, man. And appreciate y'all, man. If y'all want to hit me up, man, go down below and hit your boy up, GREG10719 at yahoo.com. If y'all need stickers made, hit up my daughter at TAE underscore creates on Instagram if you want stickers and stuff like that made, man. And she'll hook it up. She'll give you a good price on them. And y'all can go from there, man. But let's get off into these shout outs so your boy can get some rest, kick back, and get started early in the morning, man. Y'all know how I do, man. Once that 10-hour break is over, I'm at it. You know, it all depends on where I'm going and how far I'm going and stuff like that, man. So, you know, your boy be at it, man. I'm a go-getter. First up, it's going to be my man, Duke. I appreciate you, Duke. BLC Capital. I appreciate you, homie. Cliff Harris, you definitely up in the house. Jeremy Banks, you definitely up in there, homie. E Short, what's up, homie? You definitely up in there, my boy. Jeff Shamunsky, you definitely up in there. Andres Soto, you definitely up in there, homie. C-Corn02. My bad. C-Corn02. You definitely up in there, homie. RWT7476. You definitely up in there, dog. James Brown. Get down, downtown James Brown. You definitely up in there, my brother. Benjamin Legos Show. You definitely up in there, homie. Brian S. You definitely up in there, dog. Arid Wiener. You definitely up in there, no doubt. Or Arid Weiner. I don't know how I'm saying it. I hope I'm not chopping it up, dog. Just want to try to make sure I'm saying it right. So it's either Wiener or Weiner. You know, you definitely up in there, though, fam, no doubt. Eddie Gonzalez. You definitely up in there, Eddie. Arthur Hughes. You definitely up in there, fam, no doubt. AWSR Trucking. You definitely up in there. Edwin X. You up in there, bro. Kenny Kerr. Yes, sir. Ain't no doubt. Paper chasers for life. If I shout y'all out, man, ain't no doubt. Y'all paper chasers for life, no doubt. Joshua Scott. You definitely up in there. JG. You definitely up in there, homie. King Charles Boyd. You definitely up in there, bro. And last but not least, my man Gregory Johnson, man. I appreciate y'all, man. I appreciate all the new subscriptions, man. Those are people that recently subscribed to my channel and stuff, man. Y'all been rocking with your boy. I appreciate you guys, man. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below so you get a shout out. No matter if it's positive or negative, man, you still gonna get a shout out, you know. And let me know what y'all want to see in the videos. And shout out where you live at so your boy can show love to where you live at, you know, no doubt. You represent where you live at, man. I live in Las Cruces, New Mexico, so shout out to Las Cruces, New Mexico. No doubt. We're definitely up in there, man. We're going to get up out of here. We'll see y'all on the next version of the shout outs. Your boy going to get some rest, get up early in the morning and put it down, baby. Yes, sir. We'll holler at y'all then. do this Saturday morning, all my people, man. All my Paper Chasers for Life squad. We made it over here to TA Express, over here at exit 147, no matter if you're going east or if you're going west. It's gonna be exit 147 over here in Mount Vernon, Texas, man. Right across the highway right across the freeway from the Loves. You see the Loves over there. Yeah, this TA Express over here, man, it's got a badass barbecue place in there. And man, if y'all over this way, stop in here and get you some barbecue, man. That shit is going down right there, boy. I'm telling you. I got here yesterday. We got here yesterday, and I went in there and got me some barbecue. And oh man, put me down. I'm telling you, put me down. Had your boy knocked out. But yeah, man, we're here. We're about to get up out of here and go deliver this load and get ready for load number 15, y'all. Y'all know what it is, man. So we'll see y'all when we get over there to Dallas. And y'all be safe. Yes, sir. All right, my people, we made it over here to NFI over here in Dallas. That's the shipping and receiving driver check-in. So when you come down this road and you come to the gate right there where that Walmart truck is at, when you come to the gate, you'll check in there. Then the young man, real nice young man there, he'll tell you come over here and park. You come to the first left right here, and then you'll come and park. And then you'll walk over here to the driver check-in. He'll give you instructions there at the gate. You'll check in there, and then give them your phone number and wait for them to give you a door, man. So my appointment ain't till 11. I got here at 8:30. So just gonna go and chill out in the truck, wait for them to give me a call, give me a door, man. And then y'all know what it is. We'll go from there. I'm already scheduled for another load to go pick up today. So once we get done with that one, then we'll be starting on number 15, man. Y'all know what it is. But yeah, we're here in Dallas, over here at the NFI over here. So time to chill out with Miss Bailey and take it easy for a little bit. Yes, sir. Hey, what up, my people? He got us back in the door W49. Had to come around here on the other side of the building, man. And back in. Damn, I already got the red light. Already about ready to start unloading this bad boy. But yeah, man, came here on the other side of the building. You check in on the other side of the building. But they got us in W49. And about to get this bad boy unloaded. Got me locked in under there. And about to get this bad boy unloaded and get up out of here, man, and be ready to start on number 15. So just gonna get back in the truck, kick back, and let them do their job, and so I can move on and do the rest of my job. Time to go home. Y'all know what time it is, man. We'll get back with y'all in a minute. Hey, what up, my people? What up, my people? We are done over here with load number 14, man. Got it all done. Had to move up out the way, man, because another truck was ready to go into that door. Come on, this way. There we go. Had to go and get up out of there, man. Get up out of that door, because another truck was ready to go into that door. And yeah, man, it's all done. All done. Finito. Yes, sir. Ain't nothing wrong with that, man, on a Saturday morning. But yeah, man, appreciate y'all for all the love and support, man. All the subscriptions, all the comments, stuff like that. Trying to get these doors closed. Appreciate y'all for all that, man. And appreciate y'all rocking with your boy. And tell you the truth, man, I'm ready to go home. I'm ready to go home and kick it with the family and handle our business over with the basketball tournament, stuff like that, man. Ready to go kick it with them and enjoy that time with them. And my oldest son is there at the house, him and my grandbabies. So I'm ready to go kick it with them, man. But gotta do a couple of more loads or another load before I get that way, man. And just ready to do that, man. So want you guys to be safe out there. Want y'all to enjoy the rest of your weekend, man. We're gonna get ready to get started on load number 15. So love, peace, and hair grease. And we'll see y'all on load number 15 right now. Y'all stay tuned, man. We'll see y'all on that episode. Yes, sir. God bless all of y'all, man. Love you guys.